I'm Lynn. I'm with Eaton Point Lifestyle in Jasper, Georgia. Today I'm going to be making zucchini hummus. Our ingredients are freshly cut zucchini, salt, lime juice, sesame seeds, curry, and garlic powder. So first I'm going to be putting in the zucchini cubes. Next, I'll be using salt. Now the lime juice. Next, the sesame seeds. The curry. Then the garlic powder. Now I'm going to put it on the blender. And now I'm going to turn the blender on. Now it should be all done. Now I'm going to be putting it in the bowl. You can use it as a salad dressing or as a dip, or you can just eat it by itself. It's very nutritious and healthy. Hope you liked it. Thank you.